In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add glow effect on Canva. So you can see I open a region. So if you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. So I import any of region. Example purpose, I import this one, this photo. This is good. Okay, first of all, I need to just remove this background. Then just copy or duplicate. Okay, I keep it on here. Then now just select this image and going on edit, then just scroll down, then effect. So I click on this duo tool. So you can choose any of effect. Example purpose. Okay, I put this one, and this is a good. Okay, now again going on effect, then choose on blur whole image, then intensity I keep it 100 or 70 to 70 80. Okay, this is good. Now just keep it this image on these photos. That's it. So you can see I easily add and glow effect on my image on Canva. Thanks for watching. See you again.